Good morning, this is Sonal Kumawat
Good morning, this is Mahi Sani.
from KVM Senior Secondary School, Sikar, a unit of CLC.
As we all know that today is a vital day of science project. So on this day, me and my team are working on a project of Save Soil. Nowadays, everybody knows about the danger of soil. Soil is the main factor of ecosystem. Without soil, our survival is not possible. So despite Save Soil, we only ignore it and increases soil pollution. Now my friend will explain how we should save soil.
In the last 15 years, half of the top layer on the planet has been lost. In 20 years, food production could fall down by the 30% if the soil extinction is not prevented. Our nutrition and our greenery nutrition is 90% less nutritious than it was 100 years ago. The 65% of fresh water comes from the soil. But by the 2025, half of the world's total population is expected to face the water scarcity problems. In every second, a 1 acre soil is converted into sand. But did you know that the 87% of the life on the earth depends on the soil? By the 2045, there will be the 40% less food production, and the 60% of the world's population is already face the deficient problems like the magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, etc. due to lack nutrition in the soil. The soil organic matter helps to improve the important nutrients which prior to the plants and which is the vital for the crop yields. By increasing the just 0.4% of carbon, soil organic matter in the crop production can increase the crop production cultivation by 20 to 40%. So save soil can save us from the impending food crisis. We must to save our soil before it's too late. Now my friend describe about the layers of the soil that I saw you.
As you all can see, there are 5 layers of soil. The first layer of soil is humus. Humus is the topmost layer of soil. It contains quite a bit of living material, plant, decaying leaves and needle and other more things. It is thin and dark in color. The second layer of soil is topsoil. It is mostly found in minerals and most of the root live here. It is dark in color due to amount of decaying leaves and animal matter. The third layer of soil is subsoil. It is made up of sand, clay, silt that has not been broken down at all, so it is usually has less organic material and it is lighter in color. The second last layer of soil is rock fragment. It is mostly rock that has been slightly weathered. Not many things are present in it but except biggest tree root. And the last layer of soil is bedrock. It is mostly rock and a solid and tightly bound layer. Now my friend will explain how many types of soil are there.
There are many types of soil found in the India, but the mainly 4 types of soil here I'll describe about. The first is alluvial soil, second is red soil, third is black soil, and fourth is sandy soil. First is alluvial soil. This is poorly drained and well drained in the adulting areas. It's formed from the light gray to a greenish color, and its color is like greenish. And the main growing crops that are growing in the alluvial soil is rice, which is oilseeds, wheat, maize, sugarcane, etc. And it is very fertile soil. Second is red soil, which is in red color, and it is mainly found in the compressing 80% sedimentary rocks, and which is a warm, humid and temperate nature. In this, the mainly growing crops that are grown is tobacco, groundnut, pulses, millets and the cotton. The third is black soil, which is black in color. It is mainly found in the Tamil Nadu, Odisha like areas, which is a part of the coastal area regions of India. In this, the mainly growing crops that are grown is cotton. The fourth one is sandy soil. Sandy soil is light, warm, dry and tends to be acidic and low in nutrients. Sandy soil is mainly found in the Rajasthan regions. Somewhere it is very fertile and some regions it is very infertile. In this, the mainly growing crops that are carrot, cucumber, all the vegetables, wheat, maize, etc.
At last, my team opinion is that we should save soil. We must save our soil because our earth is in danger. Our new generation are facing such type of dangerous factor. So for our healthy life, we must protect our soil.
The campaign of Save Soil was started by the Sadhguru, who's founder of ISA Foundation situated at Tamil Nadu, and addressed by the PM Narendra Shri Damodar Das Modi. And the leaders of this movement always say that our body is connected with the soil. So in our body, the 5 chakras are situated. The first in the middle of the head, second in neck area, third in the chest area, fourth in our stomach, and fifth in the sensitive areas. And these chakras are related to the elements that found in the soil, which are water, magnesium, potassium, calcium, iron, etc. So once we get that the nutritions of the soil are poor, then how we expected that our body is nutritious, full and protective? No. So we must to save our soil, we must protect it, because the movement of save soil is a love affair that around us and the surrounding around us. So we must to protect it and save it.
At last, we are ending our topic by saying that once in our life you need a doctor, a policeman, a lawyer and a preacher. But every day, believe me, 3 times a day you need a farmer. So what can I do? Be a voice for the soil. Tell the people about soil as best as you can. Save soil, save earth.
Thank you so much.